Hey guys, it's Blackjack here, and today is another photography video, but this time I'm going to be talking about the kit I have got. Now all this is second-hand stuff, so it's just that you don't need to spend an absolute fortune getting into photography, especially at the entry level anyway. All the kit I got from either Amazon for the bags and some extra bits and pieces I needed. MPB, I'm just looking at my other screen because I've got the website up. MPB for some of the lenses, and CEX for the camera itself and a lens. So let's get into it. Camera, this is it. This is the EOS 1300D camera from Canon. This cost a total of £150. It did not come with a lens, but it did come with this, which is a charger, and it's also got two spare batteries. So there's the Canon battery which came with the camera itself, and then two third-party batteries. This is just a USB powered charger, works very well. You also got the Canon charger as well. And what the camera did not get, and I got extra from Amazon, is this and this. So the cover for the viewfinder and this, and that cost me £3 from Amazon. So the camera was £150. It did not come with a memory card either. So obviously you just supply your memory card. The memory card is just a SD card. The second item that I got is this one. Let's see if I can get it into shot. There you go. It is a Canon 75 to 300mm f4 to 5.6 I think zoom lens. I got this from CEX as well. This cost me £60, which if I knew what I knew now, I wouldn't have got it. The lens hood did not come with it. I got the lens hood extra. That cost me £5.90, something like that, from Amazon. But the reason why I wouldn't have got this from CEX is that I would have got it from MPB, because it would be a lot cheaper. So this cost me £60, and for this, it is a good lens though. So I got the third thing is this, which is the kit lens for the camera. It's 18 to 55mm f4. It did not come with the hood. I got the hood separately. Again, that cost me about £5 from Amazon. I got this from MBP and it cost me 40 quid. Now, one thing that I'd really like about photography is macro photography. So I got myself this lens here. This is a Sigma 70 to 300 macro lens. As you can see here, right there, you can get normal and then you got macro. This is a very good macro lens. I've been using it as my main 70 to 300mm, but I have noticed that this one, the Canon, actually gives better picture qualities when you zoomed in than this one. This one does better macro, this one is better for normal pictures. One thing I didn't mention, which I also got with the camera, is this. No, sorry, I got it with the Canon lens, the 75 to 300mm. Is this. It is a UV filter from Jessup's. This was actually attached to the lens. I don't think they realised it was attached to the lens. But filter's a filter at the end of the day, innit? And last but not least, I also got this bag. Now I got this from Jessup's. As you can see, you can take these out and change them to what you want, so they just pop out and stuff like that. I have also got a rucksack as well. I got that one from Amazon for £20. This cost me £20 from Jessup's. It's good for if you're doing going around town photography, stuff like that. But yeah, if you're going like on the up a hill or something to take photography, I would take a rucksack, like the rucksack I've got, which I'm not going to show you. But this is good for street photography or going around town, or just you want to take your camera with you if you're going out somewhere. So that is my camera gear so far. I'm still building it up. I want to get another lens. I want to get a prime lens, so a 50mm prime lens, and also a 14mm wide angle lens for landscapes as well. But like I said, I'm mainly into macro photography, which is why I got that macro lens first. I will be getting all my lenses from mbp.com. I shall quickly show you the website in a minute. If you give me a sec, I'll just alter my windows about. So this is the website here. It's mbp.com. The service is absolutely brilliant. It's £5 shipping, and it arrives in your door 2 days later. And the packaging is very good. I've never had anything damaged from them. So there you go. So for the total for everything on here, it is £150 for the camera. So £60 for one lens, which is £210, and then £40 for another lens, £250, and then another £40 for another lens, so that is £290. £10 for the lens hoods to stop the flare, so that's another £10, and then £3 for the bit of accessories which did not come with the camera, so that is another £310, so £313 in total. That's not including, I got a camera cleaning kit for £10, and also the memory card. I bought a memory card for £10 as well, so it's about £330, and I've got a decent kit. Now the camera alone, this, if you bought this brand new, and it would come with this, it's the same price as all this kit I've got. So it's worth buying second hand. This has got 2 years guarantee from CEX, so I'm not bothered about the guarantee on it. I know it's guaranteed for 2 years, and it's a good little camera. So I shall put a couple of shots either here or here of what I've done so far with this camera. So it should be there. If not, I'll put them there. So yep, if you like this video, then please press the like button and the bell icon downstairs, and also subscribe if you don't mind. Anything helps. If you don't like this video, then please press the thumb down button. If you do like the video, press the up button. And I shall catch you in the next one.